Welcome to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Established in 2010, the department has been nurturing talent for over a decade, with an intake of 60 students. Guided by a clear vision and mission, we are constantly striving to achieve excellence in engineering education. Our department boasts cutting-edge infrastructure, featuring the latest simulation software and advanced hardware tools. These state-of-the-art labs present challenging problems to students, equipping them with essential knowledge and hands-on experience.
Welcome to Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. It is established in 1979. We have more than 44 years of more number of graduates as produced from our department. We have well-equipped laboratories with advanced technologies and innovative skill labs with an highly qualified maximum strength of faculty as there. They are giving good guidance to everyone who joins our projects.
Beyond technical skills, our students are trained in critical thinking and problem solving, empowering them to step into the future with confidence. We actively encourage participation in co-curricular and extracurricular activities at state, national, and international levels, including symposiums and conferences. Our department consistently achieves impressive placement records, with students being recruited by reputed companies offering excellent salary packages. Through our robust training and placement cell, students have secured prestigious roles in both academic and industrial sectors. Many of our graduates also pursue higher education. In addition, we have signed MOUs with various corporates to enhance placement training, career opportunities, internships, and industry projects. Join us, and become part of a thriving community of innovators, thinkers, and future leaders.